That is the Death Dealer, and that painting was on my van when I was 16 years old, and I have been carrying that thing around my whole life. When I was a kid, the van was really rusty, and I didn't have the means to save it, and I didn't have the skills yet to do it, but I knew that that mural was something special, so I cut it off the van, and I have been carting it around with me my entire life. And now, I've been contemplating welding it on the side of my van. I have to fix, there's a little bit of rust on this bottom edge that I have to fix anyways. And now that window is broken, and that window is hard as hell to get. The window that's under the painting is still good. I can switch them, or I would just cover that one too. But that's the mural from my van when I was a kid. That's the panel, the whole side of it. And obviously this van is not the Mystery Machine, is its name. But if I did this, I would weld this panel on, you know, and obviously bodywork it all nice. You wouldn't be able to see the seams or anything like that. Then I would have to blend the blue into the mural and blend the mural out into the blue. And then I had intended to put stripes around the van anyways, like the Death Dealer had. So I would put stripes on this van. It would all look like it had always been there when I'm done with it. But the new name of the van would be the Dealer's Revenge. And I'm thinking that's what we should do. Let me know what you guys think. That painting, and the guy that built this van, the Death Dealer, I actually talked to him for the first time, oddly enough, about a month ago. And this van was built in 1975, the Death Dealer, and he drove it across the United States. Him and his girlfriend spent 3 months traveling around the country with it, and they went to van runs and parties in it. And then I got it. Well, I got it way later. I was like 16 or 15 when I got it. But this van has a lot of history, and that mural has a lot of history. And the fact that I was able to keep the thing and carry it around my whole life. You know, I'm going to be 47 in January, and I've had this painting since I was 16 years old. So let me know what you think. If I should just go ahead and do it and make this van flat out badass, change the name from not the Mystery Machine to the Dealer's Revenge.